Hello everybody, this is Angelo Santos, one of the support here in Groove. So I will show you how you can clone a page correctly. So some of you just clone a page and that's it. That's how you clone a site. But I believe this is the proper way to clone a page properly. So on your page, like for example this one, on the home page, you will just click this clone um, feature, right? So it will load this and it loads forever and forever and forever. But what you can do in this process, in when it's still loading, you can actually go to the pages and you will see now this is a home copy on the site. So this is the added page, and as you can see, this has been like this pre-made text here on the page name and the page URL. So what you can do is go to edit settings, then just need to rename these two, right? So let's just say redesign 2, and also this one redesign 2. So after you have changed this one, just click this check button and it will automatically save the page, and that will clone the page automatically. You just need you don't no, need to wait for the brackets to load forever. So that's how to properly clone a page, and I hope this video will help you on how to clone a page just like properly and quickly. And that's it.